Multiple countries across the Southern Hemisphere, including Argentina, Chile, Australia, and South Africa, have reported extreme heat and widespread wildfire outbreaks this week. In January, record-setting heat blasted Australia while continuing into February. Catastrophic wildfires set Argentina's Patagonia ablaze, killing 21 in coastal towns in Chile. In addition, South Africa has been experiencing its worst wildfires in years. As we transition into a neutral or even El Niño phase, we'll expect the incidence of extreme heat events around the world to be further amplified, according to climate scientist Theodore Keeping of Imperial College in London.